Hey there! Have you ever come across a problem where you're trying to pick random keywords and definitions from a master list in Excel, but the array formula keeps giving you a #ref error? Well, fear not, because I have just the solution for you. Let's delve into the solution now. You can make use of the CHOOSEROWS function to get the desired results. By modifying your formula to include CHOOSEROWS, you can easily look up and match the IDs against their corresponding keywords from the master list without encountering the pesky #ref error. In summary, the solution involves incorporating the CHOOSEROWS function into your formula to dynamically adjust the lookup values and ensure a smooth operation. With this tweak, you'll be able to generate the random keywords and definitions from the master list hassle-free. And there you have it. With this solution in hand, you can now effectively tackle the problem of selecting random keywords and definitions from a master list in Excel. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy Excel-ing!